Hey guys, it's Drea. I'm very excited to do today's video because I have another try-on haul for you. This time it's from the shop called Yoins, which is an affordable online retailer. Very similar to like Shein, Romwe, those types of retailers. I've actually purchased myself from them before in the past. I bought a couple Christmas dresses from them, which I loved. So they actually reached out to me themselves recently and asked if they could send me some items for review. They've sent them to me for free for my honest review for you guys. They've also provided 2 coupon codes. There's Beauty15 for 15% off any order and Beauty20 for 20% off if you spend more than $65, I believe US. They didn't necessarily specify that, but I believe it's US. I'm going to give you the prices in Canadian dollars just because that's what I see when I log in, because it all goes by your location, you know. But everything is kind of done in your own currency, so they'll give you the currency that you pay when you log on to their website. So let's start out with these 2 items. These are very businessy. So these pants are the plus size black button design pocket design pant, and then the top is the Yoins plus size light pink belt design v-neck blouse. The blouse currently is $33.96 Canadian and the pants are currently $28.30 Canadian. So I got them both in a size 2X. This top doesn't have any stretch. It does come with this belt and it has little belt loops as well, so you can wear it with the belt. I think personally that I probably wouldn't. I would probably wear it without the belt, but you could do it in the front. Actually, it's not bad. You could even put it all the way to the back, like a little cute back bow, or wherever you want to put it. But it's not bad with the bow, actually. I kind of like it. So this is a very satiny type material, and it's got, if you can tell, a little leopard kind of jacquard woven into the material. Very deep V. The V is very deep and there's nothing to kind of keep it closed, and I actually feel like I'm not feeling super exposed, but I do feel like this is loose and my boob is right there. So I would prefer if there was some kind of like attachment right here just to keep it all in. Yeah, and every time, see how I move, it just kind of comes open. And it's got little buttons on the sleeves. Now, I'll get to the pants in a second. We all know if you have acrylic nails that doing buttons is not easy. And these came open. There's no way I'm going to be able to get them closed myself because they're tiny little fabric covered buttons. I know once I get them closed, you could tell like it's not super tight on my wrist. I'll be able to just put this on and off without worrying about undoing the buttons. It'll just be fine, but I can't get them done up right now. It's just impossible. There's no stretch to this, but it is, it fits fine. And my arms are the biggest part of me. Like my upper arms are disproportionate to the rest of me in terms of fit, and they feel fine in this shirt. Like there's no tightness at all. I'm gonna take this off just because I'm gonna show you the pants in a second. The top works out fine in a 2X. This, by the way, also has a little elastic in it, so it has a nice little silhouette. Let's talk about these pants, because these pants, they don't fit very well. I'm going to be doing that pull up your pants dance all day long in these. So these pants are stretchy. They're just like a nice typical kind of micro twill stretch pant. And if I get back all the way here, you can see the full length of them. They're just like a very skinny pant, go all the way down, nice skinny silhouette. The material feels really nice. They actually feel really good. There's little pockets, like big pockets actually. I can put my hands all the way in, but the pants are not made for a curvy silhouette. They're not made for a pear shape. These pants are made for an apple shape because, and by the way, they have all these buttons here. They are way too big in the waist. Like this is, if I was gonna actually tell you how I would like my pants to fit, that's how much excess fabric I have in the waist. So that is probably 5 inches. They fit me fine in the calves. Like if I went down a size, I think they'd be too tight in the calves. They fit me fine in the thighs. If I went down a size, I don't think they would fit fine. But the waist is way too big. There's way too much fabric in this area too. And they are high-waisted though. So like, I pull them up all the way, the inseam is all the way up. They come way up past my belly button. Now I'm short-waisted. My belly button's here and my bust ends there. So they're very high-waisted, but this waist is just way too big. So So this dress is actually a dress that I've had on my wish list for months now. Like, I actually do shop from Yoins and have shopped from them, and I saw this dress way back around Christmas and I've always lusted after it. So I'm so happy to have it. Now I will say this isn't really a spring summer type dress because it's made of that very kind of soft fuzzy type material. So it's definitely, I would say, well, I could definitely wear it in the spring, but it's more of a true winter dress, I would say. But it's so cute. So this is a size 1X. This is the Yoins plus size burgundy with belt leopard v-neck dress, and it is currently $24.05. I don't know, for some reason, deep V's on sexier type dresses doesn't bother me as much as like daytime type blouses. So this also has a deep V with nothing kind of keeping it there. Now I probably would still put like a stitch of thread in here just to keep it closed, but I don't mind that it's a lot deeper than just a regular V-neck. Anyways, I think it's perfect length. I love this length. It feels comfortable. It has some stretch to it. It does have one of these belts that you can completely remove if you want to. I kind of like it both ways, or I would also wear it with like one of those black belts that kind of like have a little bit of fashionness to them. Do you know what I mean? Like those stretch belts with a nice buckle. But overall, I love this dress. I will say that it is on the website. It definitely looks more burgundy, and in person, it is definitely a more true red. This is pretty true to color in real life. So it's more red than I thought it was going to be, but it's adorable and I really love it. All right, I really wanted to try a pair of jeans so I could review them for you. So the jeans are actually called the plus size blue pocket design ripped pants, and the top is the plus size white crossed front design deep V-neck blouse. The jeans are $32.54 Canadian and the top is $22.64, which I think is a really good price. Oh, the top comes in black as well, which I might get because I love this. So let's start with the top, because I think the top is an A+, and the jeans are like, no, they're like a C-. So the top is very deep. Like, again, I would probably put a stitch in there, just have it just not quite as deep because there's nothing keeping it closed. So literally you could just like fall right out of it. Not a deal breaker because it's easily fixed with like a couple stitches of white thread. This here, so I measure 38 inches right across the top of my ribs. I know that because I do bra fits at work all the time, so I'm always measuring myself to show people how to do bra fits. Anyways, I measure 38 right here, and this is slightly tight, but not in a bad way. Like I'm in here well, like I'm strapped in for the ride, it feels good kind of way. This is a very spandexy material, very stretchy, comfortable, flowy. I love sleeve lengths like this because I don't like my arms and I love that they're completely covered, but in the summertime we still want to, I don't know, breathe and have our skin touch the sun, like not touch the sun, but you know, like be sun-kissed and all that. This is my favorite sleeve length for the summertime, and I love white. I love white with denim. I love white in the summertime. Now the jeans. These are size 2X. First of all, in the picture, they look like ankle length on the model, so they are above her ankle. On me, they are touching the bottom of my heel, and I'm 5'6". Here, I can go back here, you can see it better. I'm 5'6". I'm a little bit taller than the average, and they are very long on me. So for them to be ankle length, like in the picture, you'd have to be at least like 5'9", I think. They have this cute kind of like distressed bottom though, a little bit of a frayed edge. I know it's hard to see because I'm far away now, but that's like the least of our worries. They are stretchy. These are low rise. They're not even mid rise. So on me, get ready. Look how low these are. Now, you know from watching me try on jeans a lot in the past, a high rise on me typically comes up about here. That's like 4 inches lower. And these fit, like they're up. These are up as far as I can get them. These are a 2X and they are low. Look how low the pockets go. Yeah, it's not working. Look, you know, here's my belly button. They don't even make sense in terms of where they hit in the front and the back, because the front comes up higher than the back. And yes, I have a butt. Like, look at that. It's not right. Like, that isn't right. That's not how jeans are supposed to fit. So I generally stay away from bottoms from most affordable, you can see my bra coming out there. For most affordable retailers, I tend to stay away from bottoms just because I know I have a weirdly shaped bottom. I have a very small waist in proportion to how big my thighs and hips are. Like, it's just not proportionate. And that's on me. So I already have trouble with retailers in general, North American retailers. Never mind other retailers. Like, I just don't like to chance it. So are these jeans stylish? Yeah, they look cute. They've got the cute like details, the frayed hems, real pockets, the cute little rips everywhere. But no, they just don't fit properly in the rise or in the waist. So I would not purchase again jeans just because I feel like bitten by it now. The pants from the beginning weren't quite this bad because they were proportionate, like they came up high enough in the butt, but these jeans do not. All right, this top, I'm just wearing with the same jeans, is the Yoins plus size yellow belt design V-neck tee, and it is $26.88. This also comes with a tie. So many of these things come with a tie, and are also, it has belt loops, which is nice, and are also very deep V. Now, I got this because I wanted, like I got the white and I got this one because I wanted to be able to wear them with denim. There's nothing I love more in summer than the combination of denim and yellow. Like, I love yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. And I hate wearing it with black because then I always feel like a bumblebee. But with denim, it's summertime perfection. I love this top. Okay, their tops so far are just like blowing me away with how much I love the shape, the fit, everything. This is the size 2X. Look at the sleeves. Can we just admire these sleeves? I love these sleeves. So I got this in a 2X because there's no stretch to this fabric, and I think that's my sweet spot. It fits my arms fine. Anything with a 1X, like a 1X is reserved for stretchy fabric, and a 2X for me is reserved for non-stretch fabric, and it seems to work out really, really well. So I just love this. Look at this ruffle. So it does come like all the way up. It's not attached, but it just flows really, really nicely. And same deal, like again, I would just give that a little stitch and I could wear it to work fine. This just gives me like summertime boho vibes. I'm not sure that I'm into all the ties with everything though. It's just not my thing, but it looks great without it too. Don't you love this color? This is the plus size green scarf print V-neck sleeveless dress, and it is currently $29.71 Canadian. It is a size 2X. I just felt it right now. There's a huge slit up the side. That is way too high for me. But it doesn't like, okay, I guess you can kind of see it when you move. I really didn't want to do like something where I took my socks off. Well, you can't really see my feet. I don't have a pedicure yet, so it's not looking so great. Okay, this comes to you without the belt on it, which is quite flowy, but I prefer it much better with the belt because I think it gives you an actual silhouette. So in this one instance, I actually really prefer the belt. This has no stretch, but I got it in a 2X. I could have done a 1X with this just because of the shape. It's so trapeze that it would definitely still fit. You can see all the way around. Now, I would not wear it like this. I would definitely wear it with a denim jacket. Okay, I am much more comfortable like this because, you know, I don't like to just walk around with my arms flapping in the wind in the summertime. I definitely would wear it like with something like this. Either, you could do a cute little sweater depending on the type, but I think a denim jacket, even something more cropped than this even, I think would be really cute. But yeah, this look is much more my jam. I think you could wear this kind of dress, again, like family reunion. You could do it for, you could do this for a wedding. The pattern is quite a bit, like it's a lot. It feels very festive, like very, I don't know, I feel like you would wear this like to a celebration if your team in the FIFA World Cup won or something. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's that kind of celebration dress. Like, it's definitely like a summertime party type dress, but it's a lot. Like, you would take attention away from somebody else in this dress. So you probably don't want to wear it to a wedding, maybe not even a baby shower. Maybe to a baby shower, maybe, I don't know, depends on your family. But for me, like, it's a lot, but it's so pretty. And I love the little scarf kind of shark bite hem. Do you know what I mean? It's very flowy, so you can definitely feel the breeze in the summertime. My favorite thing in the world, not necessarily, but I would reach for it here and there. And I think the silhouette is great. The construction is great. Like, the pattern is beautiful. Everything about this is pretty. So it just depends on where you would actually wear it in your life. All right, Yoins, I think overall we can say from this haul, more good than bad, way more. I love this dress. Okay, so I didn't say with the last one, that one had adjustable straps. This one does too. I had both of them on like the tightest setting for myself. Can we talk about the perfect fit? Like, this is a 1X, this is a jersey t-shirt dress, it has some stretch in it, and this is the plus size purple v-neck sleeveless ruched dress, 28.30. I almost think I could have got away with a 0X in this. I don't know, but this seems like it's really perfect. No, let's just leave it at a 1X. It does have seaming that goes like up right here and underneath the bust. So if you're very busty, you take that into consideration when ordering your size, because you want your bust to fit in that properly. Down to the floor. The perfect length maxi dress, literally, for a 5'6" person. This dress was made for me. How is it not? Look how the perfect length, perfect fit. Again, denim jacket. Look at these colors together. How cute. I'm not saying I'll never, ever not wear a sleeveless thing out in public, but it's just my own comfort level. I think Yoins overall does some really great stuff. I got dresses, like I said, for Christmas that looked so stunning, and I just have had really good experiences. Would I try more jeans? Yes, just to see, because there was only one pair, but that was really the only real thing that didn't work. And the pants just weren't for my body shape. Everything else I really loved and will absolutely wear. That white top, yellow top, oh my goodness, the leopard dress, all of it. Okay, I'm getting really excited about this. So don't forget that if you shop through Yoins, you can get 15% off with Beauty 15. Or you can get 20% off if you spend more than $65 with Beauty 20. And I believe that's US. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. And that's it for today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking to yourself kindly, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.